Good morning, my green buddies. The beautiful flowers next to me are quite popular and stand out in gardens and flower beds. I'm sure many of you would easily be able to recognize them too. They are salvia flowers. Salvia is also sometimes called scarlet sage. These flowers are available in purple, pink, white, yellow or red varieties and add a distinct appeal to the garden. They grow distinctively with erect spikes. Some of the popular varieties are firecracker, salsa, bonfire, sizzler and red arrow. They are one of the most rewarding and colorful tropical bedding plants for gardens. Salvias just bloom and bloom. They give such bright neon mini towers of flowers. The color too is bold and striking. Salvias grow best in full sunlight. They can also be planted in partially shaded areas that are brightly lit. The more light they get, more is the growth and more are the flowers. They should be planted in large pots or in ground beds. The soil should be well drained and should have enough nutrients. Salvias flower a lot and therefore need a lot of food supply. I am sure these pretty flowers would be a delight to have in your garden. Salvia grows from cuttings in our garden, but we prefer to get them from the local nursery at a sapling stage. Salvia flowers give a nice dash of color to many mocktail drinks since they are edible. In our garden, they make nice borders for flower beds in a variety of colors. Their show life is also quite long, so you shall not be disappointed growing them. They will grow into 12 to 18 inches of pure beauty. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.